Should you buy a high-mileage Nissan Altima? Let's talk facts, especially about the CVT transmission. If you're looking at an Altima with 150,000 plus miles, the YEAR matters more than the miles. Years to be careful with. 2012, and these models are known for CVT overheating, slipping, shuttering, and total failure, sometimes even with good maintenance. A CVT replacement can cost, which kills the deal fast. Borderline years. Improved, but still not bulletproof. High mileage equals risk. Better years to consider. 2021 Altima. Stronger CVT design, better cooling, and fewer failure reports so far. Buying high mileage? Here's the rule. Must have documented CVT fluid changes. Test drive until fully warm. No whining, no delayed acceleration, no shaking. Cheap price alone doesn't make it a good deal. A well-maintained newer Altima can work, but older high-mileage CVTs are a gamble. Would you buy a high-miles Altima? Comment below.